Alright, so right here I got a lightning connected EarPods. So they updated this packaging after the iPhone 15 event where they added the new EarPods with the USB-C. This is the lightning one. I got this one just because it's for my dad. He wanted this. And I also picked up the 3.5 jack version. This one is mine. I bought these two from Switch. I bought this one first and I bought this one a few days later. Somehow Switch sent me the old one. I guess it's good as a reference so that I can compare between these two. They don't have a lot of difference except these port. I prefer to have this one because I have a lot of things that I can use on this, while my dad only uses it on his phone. So here's the packaging, and on the top you can notice the way you open is different. Pretty much you have to pull this part first and then you can slide it open. But on this one, as you can see, it's made of paper this time. This one is plastic. When you rip it off, you pretty much open it, and also it says please recycle this box, and as of this one it doesn't say that, so here's more info. You also notice that the new box is slightly thinner. The front seems the same, except it depends on what kind of connector they get. The side, on the old one, the font is in like grayish color, and also I noticed it says iPod. And this one for the lightning, you pretty much need anything that's running iOS 10. You can use it on your iPhone 5 that's running on iOS 10. If you somehow got this one laying around, I don't know why would you want to pick up this one if you have a headphone jack, but if you need to use it, I guess you can. And on the bottom, pretty much all the info. So let's open the old one first. There you go. The way you open is like this. So that's the old one. I'll put it right there. And this is the new one. You might notice that the box is dented. Somehow Switch decided to pack this one. They just grab this thing, throw it into the bag, and they just ship it out. So I'm just gonna open this one. Not that satisfying compared to that one though. So you can just open it like this and you just slide it out, and oh, it's face upside down this time. So there's two paper here, EarPods lightning connector. I would assume all of the papers are the same, so let's check out on the old packaging. Oh, it's different. On the old one, the edges is curved. On the new one, it's square. I don't anyone gonna read these. Oh, the packaging is different. So on the old one, from what I remember, it uses adhesive, which you can see it sticks. And on the new one, there's this thing. Hold this thing, and there you go. It kind of reminds me of those like old iPhone packaging back then when Apple used to ship AirPods during the iPhone 7 days and the iPhone 10. So yeah, that's how it looks like. Let's compare the 3.5. It's pretty much the same thing except just a port. Also, you open it like this, and it seems to be the same for the other side. And yep, open like this, and you pull this thing, I would assume, and yep, and same thing for this part. And there you go, that's the lightning one. So I'll be doing the 3.5 again. So this side have adhesive, this side too. It's a bit hard though since I have my camera. And here's the thing itself. There you go. Alright, so I'll plug it into my phone. This is the 13 Pro Max. My current phone doesn't have headphone jack. So as you can see, it's connected and it showed up. Let me just slow down the brightness. You can see right there it says headphone, and when you're on Spotify it says wire connection. You can volume up, volume down, and you can play through the remote. You can listen it through here. There you go, this is the lightning version. Once again, you can use this from an iPhone 5, even though it doesn't have headphone jack, all the way up to iPhone 14. If you have an iPhone 15, you pretty much need to get the USB-C version. That USB-C version works with any device with a USB-C port. Alright, so this is the 3.5 headphone jack version. You can use it on your iPod Nano, which I have it right here. So let's play this song, Herbal Tea. You plug it into this, and you can control it. Same thing like the lightning version. You can pause. Also, this thing has microphone, and if you plug it into your iPod Nano, you can just do some recording right here. Let me just do one recording. Hi, this is a test. Also, you can use it on a 5th gen. This is from 2005. That one is from 2012. You can hear audio works. You can use it on a mini. This one is from 2004. If you somehow have this port, you can use it on your phone. It also says wire connection, like what you have with the Lightning version. And there you go. So yeah, hope you guys enjoying watching this quick video. Thanks for watching and bye.